I have many Xbox 360 games unreadable, and there are plenty of tricks out there to restore a disc and make it readable by Xbox, PlayStation and so on. The most common is by using a toothpaste, so I decided to give a try. I'm skeptical it's gonna work, and to me it makes no sense, but I'm gonna give it a go. I have 4 victims and 3 units to test and conclude if the disc is working or not. 2 Xbox 360 Slim and 1 Xbox 360 Elite. I'm using 4 different discs and 3 different consoles to avoid particular circumstances. This way I eliminate the possibility of having a potential half-broken optical drive. Grand Theft Auto 4 is the most damaged disc, and I'm testing it in each console separately. The disc could be read and it's loading, but I can't start the game due to disc read error. I obviously cleaned the disc with a soft cloth, and I also restarted the console for many times. Same result on all 3 consoles, no matter their generation. Moving to the next disc, it's about FIFA 16, not a very damaged disc at all, but a few marks here and there. Similar to GTA 4, the game is loading, it's actually showing the start menu. I can choose my team, my opponent, but it doesn't enter the game. It's just freezing before starting the match. My third disc is an older FIFA title, FIFA 15. This time the game won't even start, it just takes a couple of minutes to receive the disc error before starting the game. And with the last one, it happens something pretty strange. It's Mortal Kombat, and it actually works only on Xbox 360 Elite. On all other Xbox 360 it doesn't. I have to mention the other 2 Xbox 360 are working perfectly, and I have this issue only with this game in particular. My conclusion so far is that the Xbox 360 Elite has an improved optical unit comparing with Xbox 360 Slim. But let's go and try the Toothpaste Trick, and let's find out if this is gonna solve anything with any of these 4 discs. I cleaned the disc before applying the toothpaste. Then I gently apply the toothpaste. I choose a smooth toothpaste and avoided an abrasive one to make sure I won't scratch the disc even more. It's supposed to let it dry a bit and not wash it immediately, so that's what I'm doing. After about 10-20 minutes, when the toothpaste dried, I'm gonna wash it, then I clean it with a soft cloth. I don't see anything repaired or anything improved visually, but let's don't underestimate the process and don't judge too quickly. After all 4 discs are done, let's insert them in all 3 Xbox 360 and find out if something changed. Absolutely nothing changed, nothing at all. All discs are behaving the same. Grand Theft Auto is loading but not even showing the start menu. FIFA 16 is showing the menu but not starting the match. FIFA 15 not even starting. And Mortal Kombat working only on Xbox 360 Elite. The whole process with the toothpaste, it was just a waste of time and didn't change anything. I actually tried different versions of toothpaste, not filming all the process, but in order to exclude the possibility of not having the required toothpaste. I actually doubt I did something wrong, and I'm extremely sure all my Xbox 360 are working perfectly. What else I've tested, it was the Mortal Kombat on my Xbox One, and it works as it does on my Xbox 360 Elite. So my final conclusion is the newer Xbox consoles have an improved optical drive, and they're able to read scratched discs better than older Xbox consoles. I personally don't recommend the trick with toothpaste, and if your Xbox console doesn't read your disc, a different console, or actually a newer console, may read the same disc depending on how scratched that disc is. But instead of trying to restore it with toothpaste, you better do anything else. It was an experiment, and I hope it inspired you or answered to some of your questions as it answered to some of mine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.